Hello everybody, thanks for joining us for the unboxing. I'm not entirely sure what's in here, but I am sure that this knife is very sharp. Oh, look at this! That's pretty cool. Alrighty. Now we're having fun. I hope they're not stealing your car. This is pretty cool. So my idea was, this looks like man-made technology over here versus what I would imagine is alien technology for robots. That's pretty cool. It's actually beautiful. Wow. This is so cool. We got feet flex, hands. I think we can interchange the hands. Yeah, it looks like you can change the hands out. Almost looks a little Iron Man-ish.